Hi viewers, welcome to our channel where we bring you the best garden patio decor ideas to transform your outdoor space into a captivating oasis. In this video, we will showcase stunning and innovative concepts that will inspire you to create a charming and inviting patio area. From vibrant floral arrangements to cozy seating arrangements, we have handpicked a range of ideas that cater to different styles and preferences. Discover how can infuse your patio with natural elements such as potted plants, hanging baskets, and vertical gardens to create a refreshing access atmosphere. We will explore various themes including modern, rustic and tropical, allowing you to find the perfect match for your personal taste. Learn how to incorporate elements like outdoor rugs, lanterns and fairy lights to add a touch of warmth and enchantment to your patio space, making it ideal for relaxation and entertaining guests. Our video also provides practical tips on maximize small patio spaces, including clever storage solution and space-saving furniture arrangements. Whether you have a sprawling garden or cozy balcony, there will be ideas for every size and layout. Whether you are a gardening enthusiast looking to incorporate unique planters and garden sculptures or someone seeking cozy sitting option and outdoor dining setups, this video has something for everyone. Our goal is to empower you with the knowledge and creativity to transform your garden patio into a personalized sanctuary and reflects your individuality and provides a haven of relaxation. Join us on this journey as we delve into the world of garden patio decor and inspire you to create a haven of tranquility right in your backyard. So grab a cup of tea, sit back and get ready to be inspired by the best garden patio decor ideas. Thanks for watching my video.